I've been involved in helping these genuinely systemic alternatives to spread, even within a thoroughly globalized world. And I've seen how healthier food can be provided by more human scale, diversified, locally adapted farming systems that not only use far less energy and resources, but produce in ways that actually heal the living environment. So we can simultaneously produce more while healing ecosystems. Numerous studies show that small-scale farms actually produce much more food per acre, often 5 times as much than industrial monocultures. Some of these small-scale farms are part of traditional peasant-led local food systems and have met people's needs for centuries or more. In other cases, more modern innovations like permaculture and bio-intensive methods demonstrate similar success. So this is a fundamental fact that we need to get back to, this basic truth that when we work with the earth, with the real economy, we can actually produce more while simultaneously healing ecosystems. And if you take any 2 bits of land, from the deserts of Ladakh to the jungles of the Amazon, and you plant monoculture on one bit, diversity on the other, you will always be able to produce more with diversified production, always. And this is because diversification means filling out the different niches in the ecosystem with vines, bushes, grasses, trees, and animals, all working together as they would in a natural ecosystem. This in turn obviously has huge environmental benefits. It minimizes the need for pesticides or other chemicals because you aren't trying to produce a vast expanse of a single plant variety on which pests and diseases can quickly spread. It restores the nutrient cycle and boosts the fertility of the soil, minimizing the need for synthetic fertilizers. It increases the soil's organic matter, its microbes, its water retention, and its carbon content. If we shift from a global monoculture-based food system towards a multiplicity of smaller, locally adapted ones, we can regenerate degraded agricultural land across the entire world. This would provide a huge sink for carbon, big enough to have positive implications for the climate. And as we revive diversity on the land, we revive human cultural diversity too. To suit the needs of the global market, cultures all over the world have been encouraged to adopt a diet based on processed packaged foods made from a handful of commodity crops. After all, if everyone everywhere eats roughly the same foods, giant global agribusinesses can profit from almost every meal eaten. By supporting local food economies, we can revive the wonderful array of diverse food traditions that are precious to our cultures and are also far healthier for our bodies. Local food economies also foster more community cohesion and distribute wealth much more equitably. Because these complex systems can't be managed by machines and chemicals, they instead need discerning human attention, more hands and eyes per acre. This not only translates into many more livelihoods, it translates into many more meaningful livelihoods and actually much more enjoyable work. It translates into more contact with the natural world, working with others.